how to create a free blog on blogger.com in 2021. Blogger.com allows you to create your own awesome free blog with just your Google account. So let's get started. All you have to do is just go to blogger.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you do that, you will see this is what the blogger.com looks like. You can see I have actually followed someone, that's why I'm seeing these blogs, but you will see nothing, it will be all empty. So what you have to do is we're gonna create a blog. So you can see this is the option right here, create blog. Click on this. And now we're gonna name our blog. Simply give your blog a name. Okay, I'm gonna go with caps. So give your blog a name. This is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. Next. It's so simple, guys. Then choose a URL. So I want my URL to be same. Great. Now my URL will be modishblogs@blogpost.com, and they're checking it is available. So I'm gonna save it. Once I do that, they're processing my blog. My blog is created. It literally took 1 minute to create a blog. So this is what my blog is right now. You can see there are different options. For example, new post, different posts that we have already posted, that we will be posting actually in a minute, and then stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, reading list, and view blog. So this is actually an option where we will be checking time to time how our blog is actually looking. So right now, this is what my blog is looking like. We've just created it. So let's start and customize our blog. So I will go to right here and we're gonna go to settings. Once I go to settings, I will be able to customize my blog and customize some of the settings. For example, so in settings, you can see this is the title of my blog and this is the description option. If I select on description, I'm gonna add a simple description for my blogs. So I have written that Modish Blogs, which is the name of my blog, provides health lifestyle blog for you, because I'm gonna be adding like lifestyle and health and beauty blogs on this, so that will be okay. You can actually go ahead and add the description that you want to, and then you can see blog language. You can choose the language right here, and there are different settings also available that we can change time to time. For example, if you want to change the time zone, you can go ahead and change right here. So let's customize our blog. Now when I will click on theme, we will be able to choose the theme of our blog and make it look nice. You can see there are different themes available right here, and there is this so important, which is like this one looks cool, this one looks for the food and everything, and then you can go ahead and choose any of these simple and awesome themes for your blog. So I'm going with this simple one right here, and I will choose this one. This is what my blog will look like. I'm good with this one, so I'm gonna apply this one. So before I apply, I'm actually going to customize it a bit, and we're just gonna customize the theme that I have selected. So you can see right here that take a little time to load. So yeah, guys, you can see this is what my blog will look like. This is the heading and this is what the description I wrote. So I'm gonna change this image right here because I'm not liking this one. So I can actually go ahead and upload an image if I want to, or I can select from any of these. So I'm gonna select from here any good image. I'm going with this image right here. Look at this image. This is so cool. I really like images like this, you know, a very cultural and ethnic image. So I'm gonna go with this one and done. Once I click on done, you will be able to see this image in the background. Great, you can see this is what the background is looking like. I think it's looking good. Now I can actually go ahead and change the theme color of the background. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select this one, and you will be able to see that the color will be changed. You can see different things and the color has been changed. The main color theme, this will be the main theme of my blog. And you can actually go to advanced now. If I go to these settings, I will be actually able to customize some of the more settings. For example, look at this page text, and I can choose any color I want to. I want the text to be black in color. If I wanted to change the size and anything, I will change right here. Let's go to blog title, and right here I can actually change the color of the blog title which is written. If I want it to be black, then it will be like this. You can see right here. If I want it to be red, it could be like this. So I think for now we're good with this color right here, or we can actually go to the white. So this is looking good, and I can actually go ahead and change any of the other things that I want to. For example, labels, width, and anything that I want to change, I can change from here. So for now, I think it's looking good. This is the outlook of my blog, and anything I will post right here, it will be shown here. So for now, we're just gonna go ahead and save these changes. Once I do that, my changes have been saved. Now I can go back. When I will go back, I told you that from time to time we will be checking the view blog option. So I will go right here, and now this is what my blog looks like. It's actually loading. You can see now this is what my blog looks like. Now let's add a blog post real quick because I want to show you that. So we'll just go to here, and it's very simple to add new post. Just click on new post right here. Once you do that, you will be able to write your new post. Just add the title of the blog right here. For example, let me grab a blog real quick. I want to attach a file or anything. So yeah, I have actually copied my blog that I had written, so I'm just gonna paste it right here. Now this is what the blog is gonna be. It says 8 positive lifestyle choices that will change your life. So I'm gonna actually copy this right here because I do not want the title to be written again. So I'm gonna cut from here and paste the title right here. So what you have to do is add a title for your blog and add your blog. You can actually write it right here, or you can just simply copy paste it or attach it. Then if you have any image to add to your blog, then you can go ahead and do that as well. If I go to Blogger real quick, I can actually go ahead and insert image from the blogger if I want to. So if you have had uploaded any image right here, then you would have been able to add. I had not, so I'm actually not gonna add any image to my blog, but you can go ahead and do that. After that, you can see I can change the font type if I want to, so I'm gonna keep it default font. After that, you can go ahead and make it bold, italic, and all the settings that we do with the text. Once you're done with your blog, you will simply go ahead and go to publish. But there are some things that I want you to look at before going and creating it. You can actually give label to your blog. For example, you have different labels. You also post travel blog, you also post lifestyle. I'm gonna do that on my blog, so I can give ahead and create a label for these kind of blogs like lifestyle, and then all of my lifestyle blogs will be added here. For now, I'm just leaving it. Then you can go ahead and you can see this is the published date. Go to permalink, and right here you can see the link for your blog. This is the link for your blog, and I think it's way too long. And then you can see they have added like the publishing date and everything. So go to custom link. It will give your blog a smaller link, and then you can go ahead and add the keywords that you want to be. So I'm going with positive lifestyle choices. So now whenever someone will go ahead and type this is the link that will be created. It's awesome. When you are posting a blog on blogger.com, you have to do this. Like, do this. This is my advice. So once you're done, we're just gonna go to publish and confirm our blog. Once you do that, your blog will be published. It's so easy, guys. Literally, you can see my blog has been published, and I can see the stats right here, the comments and reviews, everything. So now if I take you to my blog, this is how people are gonna look. You can see this is where my blog has come, and all the blogs that will come will be listed below this. So if I want to read more, I will just simply click here, and this is how my blog will be shown. It's so good. It looks like some professional made it. but we made it like simply sitting at home, and we do not have that much knowledge, but you can see how beautiful blog that we have created. So you can do that too. So after that, let me give you a just quick tour around different things. Also, you can see your comments right here. The stats will be shown here whenever someone will visit. For example, all the time, 3 times my blog has been visited, and there is 1 post, 0 comments, and everything will be shown right here. You can see then there is earnings. This is actually a whole lot other thing. You can actually earn money on blogger.com. Then there are different layouts for your blogs. Then there is theme settings and reading list. Reading list is for you when you are on Blogger. You can actually read other blogs as well. Go ahead and customize the layout as well. If you want to, you can add about me page. You can customize your header, your page list, your labels, and everything you want to on your blog on blogger.com. So it's awesome. It's very easy to use. That's what I love about blogger.com. So yeah guys, once you have created your blog, you will be able to check it out anytime you want to. This is the blog that we created, and you can go ahead and create a blog of your own on blogger.com for free. I hope I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.